Hello guys! Today I will show you the process of creating an animation of a spinning pen in hand. Firstly, I chose a suitable reference and drew an illustration. I prepared a storyboard for keyframes in advance, according to which we are now drawing the animation. So, I copy the file with the illustration to a new one. On this layer, I apply transparency. Now I am tracing draft frames. For this I take the right brush. And on a new layer, I draw a hand with a pen. I turn off the layer with the illustration. Now I enable Animation Assist and add a new frame. Now, based on the storyboard, I draw the next frame. Here, the hand rises slightly, the fingers move further apart, and the pen tilts. On the next frame, the hand is in the same place and the middle finger bends. The pen begins to actively rotate, so we stretch it to enhance the effect of movement. On the next frame, the finger bends even more, and the pen is almost horizontal. We also draw it stretched. Next, the hand is still in the same place, but the fingers no longer hold the pen. On the next frame, the fingers already grab the pen. Then I duplicate the first frame and put it at the very end. This moment when the fingers have already grabbed the pen. To make the movement smoother, I move the last two frames closer together. Let's set the value of frames per second to 6 and preview. Okay, now let's set the frames per second to 12 and watch again. I like how the rotation during the unwind turned out. But we need to add intermediate frames. First, between the first and second, we draw a frame guided by neighboring ones, right in the middle. Now at the very end, I duplicate the frame twice and add a rebound, slightly tilting the frames. Preview. I slightly adjust the position of the frames. And now I add another intermediate frame, this time before our duplicates. Preview. So, I start finalizing the tracing. In the settings, I enable the reference and choose my illustration. Now I create a new layer and group it with the first frame. To the draft, I apply transparency. I choose a brush for tracing and start outlining the hand. Also, on a new layer in this group, I draw a pen. To add a cutout on it, I apply transparency and use an eraser. We go to the next frame. Repeat the same actions. Transparency, new layers in the group. Pay close attention to the contour, comparing it with neighboring frames. Now I duplicate the pen frame from the previous group and add a cutout for the finger. Okay, now we need to repeat all this for the remaining frames. Let's speed up a little bit. Watch the preview. We move on to details. Draw nails on each frame. And add lines to enhance the effect of rotation. Ready! Watch the final animation. Guys, subscribe not to lose my profile. If you liked today's process, let me know. Thank you and see you in the next video.